today I'm going to show you how to set up a Bulldozer on Radiolink RC8X. Check the connection first. The receiver is Radiolink 8-channel receiver RAFG, which comes with RC8X. There are many support cables. We connect it by following the manual of the Bulldozer. For example, oil pump in channel 7, tail hook in channel 1. After the collection, set the parameters in RC8X. You can also connect the servers according to your needs. For example, oil pump in channel 3 and tail hook in channel 4. Just connect it as you like. There are labels on each cable to show which channel to connect it. Number 1 means you need to plug it in channel 1 of the receiver. In this way, the setup will be easier. The telemetry cable also comes with RAFG. I'll show some of the functions of the Bulldozer. Power it on.
我们这个工程车呢，它是有油泵的，我们的一个前进后退都是有的。
Move forward, move backward, turn right, turn left.
然后油泵，我们油泵用的是这个。
Oil pump is in channel 7. Start the oil pump.
打开油泵以后呢，我们是用的这个微调。
Three buttons are used to control tail hook, shovel.
尾钩、前踩的一些设置，比方说。
For example, DT1, tail hook up and down.
这就是油泵的尾钩，然后收起。好，收起来。然后呢，这个 DT2 就是一个。
DT2, move shovel up and down.
好，前踩上。好，这些语音呢，这些语音包我们都是自己设置好的。然后这个 DT4 的一个开关也是一个前踩的左右。
DT4, push shovel left and right tilt.
前踩右。好，这是语音包的话呢，到时候。
Please note, customized voice prompt is available in RC8X.
功能。好，接下来就给大家讲解。
Now we'll show how to set up the Bulldozer on RC8X. Let's check the setup of the Bulldozer. Model select. I name the model Bulldozer. And you can name the model according to your needs. The Bulldozer has 2 motors, 2 ESC and tracks. So we set tank mixing. The electric track is in channel 2 and red track in channel 3. So we set left channel 2, right channel 3. Turn on the mixing. Turn the wheel. Push the trigger. The tank mixing controls it to move forward and backward, turn left and right. The Bulldozer has an oil pump, which is connected to channel 7. we assign VR knob switch to control channel 7, which can adjust the speed of the oil pump. The more you turn it, the faster the oil pump runs, and the faster the shovel and tailhook moves. For example, if the oil pump runs slow, the shovel or tailhook will move slow. If the oil pump runs fast, the shovel or tailhook will also move fast. It is convenient to adjust the speed of oil pump with VR knob switch. We also need to assign 3-position switch to control shovel and tailhook. The 4 DT buttons can be used as full 3-position switches by setting. We use DT1, DT2, and DT4 as 3-position switches here. Enter Basic menu. Trim dial select. DT1 controls channel 1, which make tailhook up and down. DT2 controls channel 4, which controls shovel up and down. DT4 controls channel 5, which pushes shovel left and right tilt. After setting the function of DT1, DT2, and DT4, set the step of the 3 DT buttons to 100, so that every time the DT button is pushed, the travel amount will go directly to 100. And let's check it. Push the trim button, the servo value will go to 100. The servo value here shows 70 because I have already set the endpoint of these channels. Basic menu endpoint. Endpoint of channel 1 is 7070, channel 4 7090, and channel 5 7070. You can set the endpoint as you like. If the oil pump runs fast, you can set a smaller endpoint. Start the oil pump.
好，油泵开启以后，我们能听到一个电机的转动声音。然后我们看一下
DT1 tailhook up and down.
我们的尾钩已经正在放下，看，尾钩就放下了。然后我们把尾钩抬起来。好，
DT2 move shovel up and down.
前铲的上下，前铲上。
DT4 push shovel left and right tilt. And please note, customized voice prompt is available in RC8X. And that's all about how to set up a bulldozer on RC8X.